Hey everybody, Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader, popping in here with a midday update. 5-minute chart. So we have our proprietary upper and lower levels that get generated every day. The lower level today was 45.1375. You can see they messed around with it a little bit. They dipped it into 1075 and then a couple of higher lows, lower highs. We were triangling here in a range a little bit. So we're triangling here, comes back in, makes another higher low in the 14s area, then takes out a couple of these highs. This dashed blue line here was the 9-day on the daily. We talked about that in the morning webcast this morning as an area that's pretty critical. So here's your daily chart. Here's your 9-day. You can see they tested it, and now they're above it. It's been tested on a number of occasions. You can just follow the blue line. They being the bears, have a very difficult time closing below that blue line. So far, they're not getting it done today. So where do we go from here? Well, we mentioned the new weekly pivot, 45.28. They broke that with some velocity this morning. So for us, we had a couple of nice little shorts. We had one from last night. We had one off the open this morning. Right now, we are long against our proprietary level, our proprietary lower level as support. We're paid. We have a runner left. And there are some things that we look at related to time of day and clock and type of day that are going to have us just riding these runners into the last hour of the day. That's another technique, another framework that we use. So the bottom line is the number one thing I'm looking for was the same thing I'm looking for this morning. Where are we going to close today relative to the weekly pivot? Above or below? Above or below. So the bears still have a chance to say, look, we made this low, we retested weekly pivot, we held it. If they can somehow take out 1075, either by the close or in Globex tonight, then as we head into Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, if they can hold that area and convert, de facto, they would convert the 9-day. So the bears are not dead, but they don't look good. They look the way they always look. They look wounded. They couldn't finish down there. And if they end up closing above everything, and when I say everything, I mean we go up to our proprietary upper level and you close above there, then what is there really left to do unless you get bearish news except head back up towards the 45.50 area? There is nothing else to do. So the bears need to stop this move if they can, try to close it somewhere in here, if not down here, to try to stay relevant, I should say. And the bulls, hold VWAP, hold what you have, take out weekly pivot, deal with the opening print from regular session, and go from there. All right, everybody. Have a great rest of the day. I'll be out tonight with evening recap. Be well, trade them well. Talk to you then.